Did you know that 42% of unplanned downtime is due to equipment failure? How does a reliability engineer improve equipment reliability to reduce the incidence of failure? Through better machine data and predictability. An Industrial Internet of Things, or IoT platform, is a middleware with a set of software capabilities designed to facilitate and automate asset management decision-making. In short, an IoT platform will provide reliability engineers with the visibility and insights they need to optimise maintenance and improve machine performance. 5 benefits of having a platform like this include early fault detection, predictive maintenance, asset performance management, root cause analysis, and improved data quality. Importantly, an IoT platform is instrumental to a successful predictive maintenance program. Unlike condition monitoring, which is a reactive approach to maintenance that focuses on identifying problems as they occur, predictive maintenance is a proactive approach that uses data analysis to predict when maintenance is needed. Predictive maintenance can provide a cost savings of around 50%. So where does the IoT platform fit into your plant's architecture? It is typically positioned at the edge of the network. It acts as a middleware layer between industrial equipment and enterprise systems. Because the platform uses a common standardised language of communication, it enables data exchange between different systems, including legacy equipment. This is the key to bridging the gap between informational technology, or IT, and operational technology, or OT. It can also act as a sentinel over data, ensuring data is protected and compliant with regulations. So what is the best way to start with an industrial IoT platform? The first step for the reliability engineer is to identify specific challenges that you wish to solve before you select the platform. Next, establish a criteria of factors to assess the platform's suitability, such as its scalability, whether it is vendor agnostic, self-service, and has inbuilt smarts. Does it all seem a bit complex? The IFM Moneo platform was designed to simplify the digitalisation process and empower reliability engineers to transition seamlessly into Industry 4.0. The Moneo platform is a plug-and-play digital toolbox that can help reliability engineers realise the benefits of qualified data quickly, without the need for data science expertise. Interested to learn more? Visit our IFM Moneo Solutions website or call an IFM expert today about a free trial.